I have been flying drones for the past 6 years. When I fly a drone, it feels so good. But with FPV drones, it's different. They gave me a special feeling. Something that I got goosebumps, adrenaline rush, and feeling that regular drones don't. It's fun to do some tricks and go to tight gaps with a fast drone. I had the chance to film the dolphins, pass between obstacles, fly with birds, and enjoy this beautiful view. First of all, for disclosure, Dehancer reached out to me to try their plugin, but I'm free to tell my honest opinion. However, they're not sponsoring this video, but they did send me a copy of the plugin for me to test it out and see what function does it have. I edit all my videos in Davinciresolve, and this plugin saves me so much time with built-in film emulation of different cameras. You can adjust everything in just one plugin. I'm not a professional colorist, and I like simple stuff. I try to integrate the plugin with my usual color grading workflow, but you can use it as an all-in-one plugin for color correction and color grading by simply drag and drop to the node, or you can integrate in your self-editing. With small adjustment, you can do pretty much everything. My favorite section is Film Developer, which you can adjust contrast boost, gamma correction, color separation, and color boost. Another feature that I like is Bloom, which smoothly enhances bright light. They are constantly adding new camera profiles to transfer your log footage to Rig 709. Dehancer also gave me the 10% coupon code that you can use if you decided to buy this plugin after this video if you like the functionality of this plugin. So, the code is 7095. I start flying with my drone DJI Spark. It was a great beginner drone that fueled my passion for drones, different perspectives and views that I couldn't even imagine before. The drone was small, travel friendly and fun. I had a lot of fun with my friends who felt like magicians controlling drone only with movement of hands. At that time it was only drone that I can afford. Whenever I went, the drone will go with me. Over time I discovered that I would like something different. Looking for a new challenge, I upgraded to DJI FPV drone. Learning to fly was a whole new journey, filled with adrenaline and excitement. It was a completely different type of drone, and first I had to learn how to use it. I followed the instructions and practiced for hours and hours in the simulator before the first flights. First, I practiced flying from my phone with my goggles, and on my PC without goggles, before even turning the drone on. When I was ready to fly in real life, it was such a good feeling. It was so cool and special kind of adrenaline. That drones give me a joy. It pushes me to go outside more, to practice flying, to try learn and be better. My heart will beat a lot during the flips and dives at high altitude. It was so amazing, but with speed came fear of crashing and costly repairs that followed. I realized that I have not learned enough to fly close to the ground, and that I need a lot more practice to become a good pilot. It's easy to do dives and flips when you're high in the air, but not easy when you're flying low. That takes a lot of skills and time spent in front of FPV simulator. At that time I bought my full frame camera and decided to venture into wedding filmmaking. I made a difficult decision to part ways with my FPV drone. The DJI A2S became my tool for capturing aerial shots of weddings, and I filmed my whole journey in Dolomites with that drone. The image quality is much better for my older drones. Flight time is amazing, but it's missing the thrill of FPV type of flying. Now as I look back on my journey, I can't help but miss the pure joy of FPV flying. The freedom, the adrenaline, the feeling of being truly alive. I was flying FPV because of fun, adrenaline and embracing feeling, but DJI Air 2S is missing that part. Don't get me wrong, this drone I use now is absolutely perfect, but it's missing that exciting part of adrenaline. I could not help myself and decided to buy the best FPV drone, DJI Avatar. I bought a FPV simulation game named Liftoff, which had more options than DJI application. This time I spent more time in simulation, training to improve my skills. Build quality of DJI Avatar is excellent. It's more resistant to faults, so I could fly with more relaxed, closer to the ground, without fear that I will break during the first crash. For me it's necessary to have both drones. I want to be prepared for any challenge. I will continue to fly with my drones and record the moments that I'll be able to return to by watching them. After all, my biggest desire is to make my custom FPV drone, a drone that could fly to new and exciting locations to discover new adventures. See you in the next one. Bye.